Good afternoon, everyone. I think we can get started here. This is Verona at the National Weather Service this week, and we're basically in a quiet pattern right now. Not much going on. We've been in kind of a brief cool down period, but that will be changing over the next few days. So the highlights for this week: a weak upper shortwave with accompanying energy, giving parts of the area a slight chance of thunderstorms for the next 3 days, and we're expecting thunderstorms to remain below severe limits. Then an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms for Sunday night through Monday, with a stronger low pressure area moving to our north into the Great Lakes. High pressure building over the southeast through the weekend and into next week will give us a warming trend with above normal high and low temperatures. So currently, there's not much going on. This is the radar from this morning, and we see a few showers and thunderstorms that crossed into north and west Georgia overnight, associated with a weak wave that is currently headed to the south of our area. And for the rest of the afternoon, we're just in a general risk of thunder for most of the area, as we do have some leftover instability and weak energy that remains across the area. For tomorrow, pretty much more of the same, not much energy, but just enough with some afternoon heating to give a slight chance of showers and a few thunderstorms for much of the area. Should be just general thunder. And then Saturday, even less of a chance, just the far northeast corner for general risk on Saturday. As I mentioned, we will have increasing chances for rain and a few thunderstorms. Starting Sunday night, we've got a strong low pressure area that will remain north of us that should be headed from the central states into the Great Lakes, and that will pull a frontal boundary into the state beginning late Sunday night, and we've got increasing chances for rain with this system. Greatest chances in the northwest corner, with lesser chances across the remainder of north and into central Georgia. For Monday, expect showers and a few thunderstorms to continue. The front should make its way into the state with much of the area having a chance of showers and a few thunderstorms. At this point, it's kind of early to know if there will be severe thunderstorms with this system, but we can take a look at that in the next day or two. The rainfall forecast is not very great for the next several days. Through day 7, basically the best rainfall amounts for the north of Atlanta to Gainesville, and that's only about a ½ inch or less, and a ½ inch or less elsewhere. Locally, amounts possible in thunderstorms could be higher, but overall, just a ½ inch more or less across the north, ½ inch or less elsewhere, and this is for the next 7 days, so we're basically in a dry pattern. Also, the other thing of note is a warming trend, which will take place toward the weekend and into the first of the week. So we see a general snapshot of how things look for the next 7 days for the northwest, Cartersville through Atlanta, down into the central area through Macon. The dotted line is the normal temperature, and the bars represent the expected high temperatures and the low temperatures for the next several days from today through next Wednesday, and we can see that generally temperatures are above normal into the middle of next week, getting into the low to mid 90s in Macon and central Georgia, and up around 90 in the rest of North Georgia from the northwest into the Atlanta, Athens areas. The 6 to 10 day outlook for rainfall and temperatures is shown as a probability, and probability of rainfall being below normal, 40 to 50% is generally shown for north and central Georgia, so basically dry, and then the temperatures about 70 to 80% probability of temperatures being above normal, and that's like a bullseye right across North Georgia pretty much. So we will be fairly dry and warm for the next upcoming few days into the middle of next week. So basically that's the story for this time. Like I said, above normal high and low temperatures. We will have warmer nights as well as warmer days. Temperatures could be 8 to 10 degrees above normal most places. Should be basically dry except for a few showers and thunderstorms through Sunday, and then increasing chances of rainfall for Sunday night into Monday. And rainfall totals for the next 7 days, generally a ½ inch or less, except maybe heavier in some isolated thunderstorms. That's basically it, and if you have any questions, I'll take them. Otherwise, that's it. Okay, have a good afternoon.